The Australian government has announced that there would be major reforms to Australia's migration system in an effort to promote economic growth and restore integrity. There are plans for the allocation of 185,000 visa slots for the 2024-2025 Permanent Migration Program, in addition to a 4-year overhaul of the Australian immigration system. We will go into great depth about these developments in this video, as well as how they may impact the Australian economy and potential migrants. The Permanent Migration Program seeks to improve Australia immigration, address the skill shortages, and strengthen ties between families and communities. The migration program is divided into 3 main streams, namely: 1. Skill stream with 132,200 slots, which is 71% of the program. 2. Family stream with 52,500 slots, which takes 28% of the program. 3. Special Eligibility stream having 300 slots. These visa allocations are designed to boost Australia's economic capacity, address labour market needs, and promote social cohesion. Employer-sponsored visa category. Employer-sponsored visa allocations have been raised from 36,825 in 2023-2024 to 44,000 in 2024-2025. With this increase, more temporary migrants will be able to quickly get permanent residency by supporting a path to permanent residence through the temporary residency transition stream. State and territory nominated visa category. The number of visas allotted to the regional category and the Australia State and Territory nominated category has been raised to 33,000. Together, these categories account for 50% of the skill stream and 36% of the total allocations, which aid in attracting skilled immigrants to address certain labor force and economic concerns. Skilled independent visa category. 16,900 spots have been set aside for skilled independent visas for 2024-2025. This is a decline from 30,375 spots in 2023-2024. Nonetheless, the numbers are still far higher than in previous years. Business Innovation and Investment Program visa category. The number of visas allocated for the BIP has been lowered from 1,900 for 2023-2024 to 1,000 for 2024-2025. Beginning in July 2024, the BIP will be permanently discontinued, and in its place, a new National Innovation Visa will be offered, with an emphasis on highly trained workers who will strengthen the Australian economy. Global Talent Visa category. The number of visas available under the Global Talent Visa program has been somewhat lowered to 4,000, in keeping with more comprehensive changes pertaining to innovation and talent. The Global Talent Visa program will end this year and be replaced with the National Innovation Visa. Family visas. The family stream retains 52,500 slots, of which 40,500 are devoted to the partner visa category and the remaining 3,000 to child visas. Due to the demand-driven nature of both categories, program adjustments may be made with flexibility to shorten processing times and match demand. 8,500 visa spots have been reserved for parents, while 500 visa slots have been reserved for other family visa programs, such as the Aged Dependent Relative, Remaining Relative, and Carer programs. Study visas. Although particular changes to study permits were not specified, funding for post-secondary education and career training remains in place for 2024-2025. In order to improve their professional opportunities, students can stay in Australia after graduation under the new mobility arrangement for talented early professionals scheme and prolonged post-study work privileges. Navigating the new migration program. While developing the local channel of highly skilled individuals, the Permanent Migration Program will help cover skill shortages in important areas and give regional Australia precedence when it comes to visa processing. The significant contribution that all migrants make to social cohesion is also acknowledged by the 2024-2025 migration program. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck!